Hi, I'm Barb Cole, and I recently had bilateral double knee replacement surgery on the same day, so both knees on the same day. And when it came time to choosing my physical therapist, I had seen an ad in the paper and thought I would give physical therapy solutions a try. I stopped in and the staff was very welcoming. Ashley gave me some paperwork to fill out, set me up for my first appointment, and I was good to go. So after surgery, my husband brought me in the first few times, and that was another thing I really appreciated was the accessibility. So easy just to park and be able to walk right in and not have a long corridor or lots of steps. So I really did appreciate that. Next, Josiah was my physical therapist, and he started out slowly and gradually, and then he worked me up to where I was really trying to do my best, and he encouraged me to do my best, and that is exactly what I needed. He'd always want just a little bit more, and like I said, that is what I needed. It was easy to establish a rapport because we would talk about yards and family, vacations, grilling, and it was easy to come in and do my physical therapy, and before you know it, I would be done. So Michelle helped out a few times when Josiah was gone. And last, I would like to say the communication with my orthopedic surgeon was top-notch, and I would definitely recommend physical therapy solutions for getting your life back on track after you've had a major surgery.